Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to disable InMail messages on the LinkedIn app using your phone if you're tired of receiving promotional or unwanted InMail messages. This video will help you take control. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left. Then, scroll down and tap on Settings. From there, choose the option called Data Privacy. After that, scroll down until you find the section labeled Messages. Finally, look for the option called InMail Messages and toggle it off. This will stop other LinkedIn members from sending you sponsored or InMail messages directly. You can turn it back on anytime if you change your mind. And that's it. You've successfully disabled InMail messages on LinkedIn from your phone. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others who might need it.